Out in Oregon, St. Ursula on the road taking on the Eagles. Early action, Eagles with a rip down the third baseline. Too hot to handle, got the job done, advances the runner to third, and Clay's in scoring position. But the Arrows pitcher, Jenna Lutz, settles in. A few batters later, gets the strikeout to end the inning, and the Arrows get out of the jam. Top of the third, Lutz starting to help out her own cause. Rips this one back up the middle, gets out to the outfield. Brenna Toe scores, and it's all Arrows in this one. They get the win 9-2. St. Ursula is back in action on Monday against Whitmer.